Hello, this is Brandon Bischoff with Canterbury Investment Management. Today is December the 23rd, 2019. And with that being said, I'd like to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and the happiest of holidays. Christmas is one of my personal favorite times of the year. It's a time that we can kind of reflect on what's happened throughout the calendar year, as well as, look into the future and be thankful for our friends, our faith, and our family. So if you're able to, get out there this week and celebrate with your loved ones. So the market state, we are currently in market state 1, which is a bullish market state. And, most new market highs, about 85% of all market highs, occur while we're in market state 1. So market state 1's characteristics are positive long-term, positive short-term supply and demand, and low and decreasing volatility. Volatility index currently measures a Canterbury volatility index reading of 48, so volatility continues to be low and decreasing. This is in sharp contrast to December of 2018, 1 year ago from today, when we saw higher volatility, high and increasing volatility. But a CVI reading of 48 is approaching extreme low territory. It's not quite there yet. As it does, you'd be on the lookout for some of those outlier days or spikes in volatility that are typical of extreme low volatility. Market comment, for most of 2019, as we've mentioned in several updates of the past, small cap stocks have lagged large caps to an extreme point. And so if we're looking at the Russell 2000 index, you can see there's a thick overhead resistance level, and you can see it's actually touched this resistance level, a multitude of times and failed to break above it. Well, recently, kind of like a Christmas gift, the Russell 2000 actually broke above that resistance level, pulled back to it to test it, and continued rallying upward. So that is a positive sign for markets. It's actually one of the more positive signs we've actually seen in small caps for this year. But if we're still looking at those volatility-weighted relative strength rankings, which is what Canterbury uses to give sort of a risk-adjusted ranking, it shows a security strength in comparison to its volatility levels. Large cap value, large cap growth still do lead small caps and mid caps. So large caps are still the leaders, although small caps are showing some strength. Canterbury portfolio thermostat is currently efficient for the given bullish environment. We have a bullish portfolio state, a volatility of CVI 31, which is low, and a benefit of diversification of 38%, which basically means that we're holding a portfolio composed of bullish securities, but they're not highly correlated to one another. So if the market starts trending downward, maybe all those securities don't go down at once. We want to see a little bit of benefit of diversification there, which we do have in the portfolio. But bottom line, the Russell 2000 actually showed some strength in time for the holiday season. And, again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you for listening, and have a great week.